Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix DSers fulfill order issue on Shopify. So, if you're experiencing issues with fulfilling orders in DSers on Shopify, follow these steps to resolve them. The first step is checking DSers authorization. Open your Shopify admin page, go to settings at the bottom left of the screen. Now, click on Apps and Sales Channels, and if you see a Reconnect or Reauthorize button on DSers page, just click it and ensure that DSers has correct permissions to sync orders. Now, after you do this, you'll have to verify order status on DSers. In DSers, check if the order is marked as awaiting payment, awaiting fulfillment, or processing. If the order is stuck, manually update its status. Now, third step is ensure that the supplier is linked. Open DSers dashboard, navigate to My Products page, and confirm the product is linked to an AliExpress supplier. If not, click the link product to connect it. Now, fourth step is syncing orders manually. Go to DSers order page and click Sync Orders, and this will refresh your order list and fix syncing issues. Now, fifth option is to check payment issues. If you're using AliExpress, ensure your payment method is valid. Failed payment method can stop orders from processing in DSers. Now, sixth step is contacting DSer support. If none of the methods shown here fixes your problems, reach out to DSer support through their live chat or email for assistance. To do that, click on this headset icon at the bottom left of the screen. Now choose live chat. This will instantly take you to Messenger. We'll have to add your email address or phone number. Enter your password, click on continue. You'll be taken to Messenger and it will open up live chat for DSers where you can easily ask them to fix this problem. So these were the ways through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.